This is my first longer form video for YouTube, kind of showcasing my workshop, how I set up an axe. Recently it's been pretty easy setup. I was able to 3D print a couple wedges, put underneath of the axe. It's really important when you are setting up your laser projects to make sure that they are level to the bed, to the laser head. You can see there's a small little level there. It was recommended by a friend. And then again, I just 3D printed a couple of these wedges that fit in pretty nicely actually. So here I just concentrate on getting the part of the axe that I'm going to laser to be as flat as possible. The axe isn't perfectly flat, so it does take a little finessing. Make sure it is right, both directions. And the other thing is you want to make sure that it doesn't move. If the axe moves halfway through the engraving, it will wreck your piece and you'll have to start over from the beginning. And then once it's level, again, we double check. We have to make sure that our focal distance is correct. Here you can see the black measuring stick that I have. And then we just dial in the height of the laser head to the axe and make sure that it's the right height. Once that's set, make sure to move your level and we're ready to go. So the next thing we do is we make sure that our artwork is set and ready. We turn on the framing mode on our laser head. Make sure that things are in the right position. I also have a switch that I bought from Amazon, and the switch turns on my ventilation fan, so I make sure that all the fumes are extracted outside before I start. After the fumes are being evacuated outside, again, one more test frame. Have my glasses on for safety, make sure I won't be blinded by this thing. Have my settings adjusted correctly, have those dialed in. Make sure nothing else on my workpiece on light burn is showing. And then we can start the laser process. So I'm using a 50-watt laser. We have a 300mm lens. We're at 1900 for speed. And then we just let it go to work. So this axe design currently hasn't been purchased yet. This is a sample I'm putting together for hopefully a future client. This department does a couple retirements every year, and they're always looking for a gift. Currently they're using a sticker to kind of showcase their logo there. Laser engraving can give you just a lasting logo that you won't have to worry about fading. If it's treated correctly, it's not going to rust. And then when you finally do end up presenting it, once it's buffed, it does look very good. When I was younger, one thing I didn't realize I had to do was a cleaning pass. So you will see a cleaning pass shortly here. Just right here, where the laser goes through, cleans up all those little details. Here I'm running it again. I usually just do one normal engraving pass and then I'll do another cleaning pass. That pass is just going to make sure all those little details are nice and crispy and they're set to go. So once that runs, you'll see here it's not a completed final product. Most of my engravings take several hours. The ones that look the nicest are the deeper engravings, and then once you put them on the buffing wheel, you can really see the depth, and that depth creates some shadows. You know, between that and the brushed steel, it can look really nice. So here's a final product for the sample. We're testing the height, we're testing the view, and I think that logo is going to look nice.